What's up guys? Naghahanap pa kayo ng budget shoes na solid pang laro? Check natin tong Li-Ning Shining 2V2. Tara, reviewin natin. Unahin natin yung design at materials. Textile with synthetic overlays yung ginamit. It's breathable, durable, at hindi siya mabilis mag-crease o kaya ma-deform. Next is traction. Tough RB outsole yung ginamit, kaya naman pwede siya ibang laro sa mga outdoor courts. Very aggressive ang bites kahit sa dusty courts. At grabe ang kapit. Very consistent, lalo na kung mabilis ka mag-stop or mag-cut. Support-wise, panalo. Solid ang lateral containment at heel lockdown. Stable din ang base dahil nga may TPU shank plate siya sa midsole. Punta naman tayo sa cushion. Combination of boom and light foam plus ang midsole. Hindi siya super bouncy, pero I think need pa siyang i-break in. But it is very responsive at may sapat na impact protection. Kaya kung isa kang speed player, sobrang magugustuhan mo to dahil sa pagka-responsiveness niya. Sa sizing naman, snug fit siya. Good for narrow to regular footers. Wide footers need half size up. At ito na nga ang performance review natin sa Li-Ning Shining 2V2. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng mga reviews sa Chinese brand hoop shoes, just follow and share this page. And let's help more hoopers to choose smarter. And if you want to cop the shoes, I'll put the link below in yellow basket.